For this project, you're going to need the styrofoam disc, Mod Podge glue, glitter, and of course a paintbrush. Something I really like about working with these is that you don't have to have a base coat of paint like some of the other projects where you have to have a base coat. With these, you can just get straight to the glitter part. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start off by just putting a generous amount of Mod Podge on. Now these things they're styrofoam, so you have to be generous with the glue, otherwise it will just sink. So if you're generous with the glue, you have more chance of actually getting glitter onto the styrofoam. So I'm just going to be generous. And then I'm just going to keep working it in. You'll definitely need to give a lot of the Mod Podge. You need to be very generous. But you don't want it to clump, so make sure that it's even. And you're going to have to do one side at a time. So I'm going to start with white, the white glitter. And of course, you can put more than one coat on. I will probably put 2 coats on. You can see, I'm just going to, you can see how, and then once it dries, then I'll put a second coat on of the white. Now that each side is dry, it's time to actually get the outer side of the disc. We're just gonna have a little fun with that. Instead of trying to put the glue on and pour, just going to pour some glitter here. I like using the small brush for this, the small sponge brush, because it fits perfectly with the diameter of the sides. So I'm just going to take it like this. Just be a little careful because I don't want the glue to get everywhere. Just going to glue it all the way around. You don't, with the sides, you really don't need a thick coat. A thin coat is good. Alright. And now I'm just going to take it and roll it. Just roll it in the glitter. And then where you see spots, fill those spots by rolling it in the glitter. And then there. The sides of that. I have these long toothpicks that I'm going to use to stick into the disc. I'm going to paint them all white. And I have these little sponge brushes that are easy to use, especially for thin type small items like this. I'm just going to use an acrylic white paint and then decorate them later. So I cut these little pinwheels out using my Cricut Maker 3, and I'm using removable vinyl as the stencil. I'm going to remove this from the transfer tape, add it to the disc. Now that the stencils are on the pinwheels, I am going to use Mod Podge. I'm going to brush the Mod Podge on, and then I'm going to glitter over it. The glitter is dry on both sides. So now I'm going to remove what I have is the stencil.